Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today we will see how we can use concept spaces in Relate to make a marketing plan. We saw in the past how to make a new project, so let's start with a new project that we will call Marketing. In this project we will find everything related to marketing, whether it's the plan, social media strategy, branding, etc. For this tutorial, we will use a fictional marketing agency. So on the first layer of the project, we have the base elements that make up the foundation. Each concept is dissected and deepened in itself. What I'm showing you today is an example of how someone could organize their concepts in Relate. Now we want to focus on the marketing plan concept. We can already see how easy it is to keep track of the work done in the past. We have last year's version and then this year's. In this concept, we are going to find the summary, the initiatives, the target market, the market strategy, the budget, marketing channels, and marketing technology. First, we are going to build the summary of our business. We're going to write a short description and then have the department leaders with a brief description of each of them. To go back to the previous layer, we can easily navigate with the breadcrumb on the top of the workspace. And then we have the mission. We can see here this symbol on the top right corner. This means that the concept has been reused once, so it exists at two places in my project. So, if I modify it here, it will also be modified at the other location. This is what we call instances in Relate. But let's go back to our marketing plan. In the business summary, it's also here that we will do a SWOT analysis, or strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This is important information, especially when the time comes to make next year's plan to see if all of this is still true. Next, we define the company's goal and the initiatives developed to reach it. So for 2024, we want to acquire 24 new customers and retain 80% of the existing customer base. We think we will reach that with those 3 initiatives. Each initiative has a description, a goal, and metrics to measure success. Also, like we saw in past tutorials, it's very easy to duplicate a concept and just edit the content. We simply do a right-click, copy, right-click, paste, or Ctrl-V, Ctrl-C, and then all we need to do is edit the content. Next is the target market, where we will indicate the industries that we want to approach during the year. We will also include a buyer personas to help us understand who we are talking to. It's also in that section that we will do a competitive analysis. Here we can also change the color to match the importance of the concept. In the analysis, we state how we compete against other companies and how we can win. We can easily insert web links by simply copying and pasting the link into the space, and it will become a concept automatically. We can interact with it the same way we can interact with any other concepts. Now let's go back using the breadcrumb or the mouse wheel and let's go see the next section. Here we will elaborate the market strategy. We're going to talk about our product, determine the price, we will elaborate different ways to promote it, and we want to know who will work on that and what is the process. Next, we need to obviously set a budget, and it's very easy to do it in a spreadsheet and then insert the link here or a screenshot like we have. Continuing, we are going to determine the channels that we will use to spread our messages. Here it's simple, we will organize webinars and use Instagram. In each channel, we will fix a goal and a metric to measure success. And finally, we are going to determine which technology we are going to use for our marketing. In this case, for the CRM or Customer Relationship Management, we will do it directly inside of Relate. We can see that it's a concept that was reused elsewhere in the project, so it is up to date with the latest modifications. For the other external softwares, we will insert the access links and other important information. So here we have it, our marketing plan entirely done in Relate. Don't hesitate to ask us questions in the comments, and we will see each other in the next tutorial. See you soon!